Okay, so ain't really much. I can't really show y'all the other side. That's gonna be on another vlog, like a different type of vlog. Oh, actually, I'm actually about to do that. I'm actually going to post this. I'm actually going to post this. I'm actually about to post this like that. I'm actually about to post this in like different videos and different. What is it called again? Different titles. Yeah, but I'm just post this like that. It's gonna be short videos. I have. The other video is like not even. The other video is like not even a minute, but I'ma post it, right? I'ma post it. Yeah. So I'm so happy. I'm so happy. That's what I'm saying. I need weed. I need to smoke weed. I'm so happy. Like I'm so happy. I need to smoke weed. Yeah. I'm gonna end this vlog here. The next one is gonna be about cooking. Like cooking. The next one is gonna be about cooking. Like the next one, the next one is gonna be about cooking. So I'm gonna end this vlog right here. Oh wow. I'm about to end this vlog.